wind tunnels as a choke point in testing.
For the big wind tunnel facilities, it can be 1-2 year wait time right now to schedule things out. I'd say 6 months would be pretty fast.
A critical delay as the U.S. is still in the early stages of its hypersonics program, with the Air Force successfully testing Lockheed Martin's missile, called Arrow, last week after 3 failures. But Russia isn't just testing these weapons, it just became the first country to ever actually use hypersonic weapons in war, using them at least 10 times in Ukraine, according to the Pentagon.
It's a consequential weapon.
And China successfully tested a hypersonic weapon that orbited the globe last year.
At one point, the Chinese were building their wind tunnels as quickly as we were decommissioning wind tunnels.
Mark Lewis, a former top Pentagon official working on hypersonics, estimates Beijing is building a new hypersonic wind tunnel every 6 months.
We really need our test infrastructure, our wind tunnels, in order to be able to advance in this field. And frankly, we've allowed that capability to atrophy over the past few years.
This tunnel in Texas is only 8 inches wide and took about 3 years to build. The biggest hypersonic wind tunnels are 8 feet wide and would take about 5 to 10 years to build, according to Combs.
You're not putting a full-size airplane test vehicle in any of these facilities. There's nobody in the world that's testing in a 20-foot hypersonic wind tunnel.
America
right?
is through.
That type of technology just doesn't exist. It's simply too much air.
So instead,